Hi there, Tim Miner from Vestor Logic, and this is Social 60. Today I want to talk about the new Twitter ad platform called Promoted Tweets. I did a test this morning when it went live and did a search on Twitter for Starbucks. And I noticed that the first tweet that appears in the search results was a promoted tweet, and it was promoted by Starbucks. The interesting thing is that it barely stands out from all the other tweets. I'm not sure if this is by design or if Twitter's really just trying to ease us into it. But essentially they're betting on the fact that users are going to click on these promoted tweets and it will truly gauge our sentiment for that ad. And it seems from first look that Twitter's going to treat these ads much like Digg ads are treated on Digg.com, that the ones that are more effective are going to stay relevant, stay out there in the visible space, and those that are not being retweeted, that are not showing favor, are going to just disappear. They're going to be dropped. Let us know in the comments what you think about the initial rollout. Is this going to be effective or not? Is Twitter going to make money doing this? Are they going to have to expand the reach and place these ads in more than just the Twitter results? Want to know what you think.